Just woke up. Alright. Here we go. So, I think some of y'all just don't like me anymore, you know? I've been recently noticing that some of y'all, well, a lot of y'all actually, you don't watch the videos. And I feel bad for you, because there's a lot of humorous magic I put into these kinds of videos. And I would hate for you to miss them, so if you'd be so kind, the notification bell's right there. Anyways, we are playing a video game, as usual, and I will probably react to something that I've wanted to react to in a while. I'm gonna probably do it sometime after this video, so please, when you see this, make sure you like and subscribe. It's not even like a hey, you need to do this. No, I want you to like and subscribe, because it makes my channel look good, and we are so close to 1,000, so why wouldn't you? Anyways, let's get back to the video game. My bad. Oh, and if you guys were curious, we are playing The Legend of Zelda. Before we do that, I want to do a little something. Y'all know that new movie from Netflix? They call it K-Pop Demon Hunters. Yeah, what's that one dance?
Soda pop, you're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.
Well, the last video of Skyward Sword HD with sound effects got 5 likes. Wait a minute. I feel like I've seen this before. Huh. Oh my. Well, that, my friends, is very cool. You got an ancient flower. Legend says this beautiful flower flourished in the ancient past. Supposedly it glows in the dark. Well, that is so freaking cool! And, oh, hey, hold on, chill. Hey! Hey! Well, there we go. Y'all remember all the classic sound effect videos? So nice. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Seriously? Guys, I'm losing health, man. Wasted bombs, bro. Like, wasted bombs. Alright. What do here? Whoop. Yay! You thought. Your hearts have decreased quite dramatically. Replenish some of your life at the earliest opportunity. You have elected to engage hero mode, so hearts and heart flowers will not appear. Yeah, I've noticed. And I have no potions. Unbelievable. Oh, seriously? Bro. No! Yeah, have fun with that. Stupid creature. We're finally here. Look at that, guys. We're finally at the desert. After a whole month, we're finally at the desert. We have arrived at Lanayru Desert. The terrain in this area changed dramatically as climate forces rapidly turned into a desert. Wow. Okay. Love the info. Love the info. Lanayru Desert. I have confirmed numerous areas of sink sand. Should you step in sink sand, you may be swallowed by the desert. Bodily danger has increased by 30%. Ah, bodily danger. Ah, check the terrain. Ah. My readings indicate that Zelda has passed through here. As previously stated, this area is highly dangerous. Oh, really? Is it dangerous? I had no idea. It's not like there's effing quicksand and a bunch of monsters to eat my balls up. Well, I know you guys are probably going to be disappointed, but we're going to end the video right there because I have some editing to do. I also am going to be reacting to a video that I've wanted to react to for years. So we're going to save. And if you guys want part 14, I believe it's either part 14 or part 15. I think it's part 15. Correct me if I'm wrong. But we are going to end it there. I hope you guys enjoy Skyward Sword HD with sound effects. And I'll catch y'all later. Take care. Peace!